Hello there! Welcome to our Acrobits push notification service tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how push notifications work in our apps for incoming calls and messages. Let's get started. At Acrobits, we've implemented push notification features in our apps and services, including Groundwire, Acrobits Softphone, and Cloud Softphone. This means the Softphone users can receive notifications for incoming calls or messages without having to keep the app open all the time. It ensures the users don't miss any important calls and messages, even when the app is running in the background. With this feature, users can stay connected and receive calls and messages anytime. Our SIP instance server, SIPIS, plays a key role in making push notifications work. When users install our apps and use the push notifications option for incoming calls, the SIPIS takes over and keeps the app registered with the registrar server. This way, the device remains reachable for incoming calls at all times. Now, let's walk through what happens when there is an incoming call. The SIPIS springs into action when it receives a call. It notifies the notification server, either Apple Push Notification Service or Firebase Cloud Messaging, depending on the device's operating system. The notification server then sends the push notification to the call recipient's mobile device, which launches the Softphone app to handle the incoming call. Using push notifications on our app has many benefits. For one, it is more reliable. Users will never miss an important call or message, regardless of whether the app is open or not. It enhances productivity, as users can quickly respond to incoming calls or messages without having to constantly check the app. It also places less strain on the device's battery since the SIPIS handles the SIPIS registration and maintenance tasks. And finally, it just makes for a better user experience. Users don't have to keep the app open to receive notifications. Thanks for watching this video. See you again soon.